Savior, and to the Holy Spirit, who is our sealer and sustainer. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be made glad in it. To your pastor, my brother in Christ, Reverend Dr. Kenneth Thibodeau, and to you, the officers and members of this, the Asia Baptist Church, it's good to be here. I thank God for another opportunity to be found in the sanctuary. I'm glad I'm not in the cemetery. In spite of everything that the devil has sent our way over the past 7 days, you're still here. We give God all the glory, all of the honor, and all of the praise. I count it an honor and a distinct privilege to be with you today to celebrate and share with you on this 94th church anniversary celebration. And certainly the Church of God is still marching forward. There was a song that they used to sing in my father's church when I was a young boy. Every Sunday almost they would say, I love thy church, O God. Her walls before thee stand. Amen. I love the Church of God. And I'm grateful for this opportunity today to share with you. And I would like to thank your pastor for this opportunity to come into this place. And I did share with him that I can reminisce on many times as a young boy coming this way with my father